Part is this? I don't know. I already lost track. 1 minute's not enough time to say everything I gotta say. So I've done several parts. Obviously, I think this is part 6 now, because I still got a few things to say before I wrap it up. So it takes time, you guys, to build these cars. I mean, you could spend $100+ grand just on the engine alone, besides all the, the rest of the mechanical and electrical, and suspension, brakes, cooling system, roll cage, interior, exterior, paint, rims, tires. I mean, everything that goes with a project car. So I've already explained. You guys can check out on my The Capitalist, my channel, what my plans are, because obviously I don't have the time to explain what my plans are per vehicle on all these project cars. But yeah, check them out, you guys, and I think you guys enjoy it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.